I am very excited to be demoing this laundry basket for you guys today. So for starters, it is super pretty. We've got these kind of pleathery handles here, this pretty brown color, and it's tied down with these little tacks, the little buttons here. Very easy to carry, nice and functional. I love these stripes on the side. They've got this kind of nautical vibe, very pretty navy. It might look blacker on camera, but it's kind of a really pretty dark blue color. And then here's a close-up at the bottom. This thing is washable, so it is white on the bottom. Might get dirty easily, but because of the kind of fabric-y, kind of thicker, rougher material, it is very easy to wash, so it's not something you need to worry about. But still, it's on the bottom, so you're not going to see it. Not too much of a concern. And here's just how it looks. A closer feel for this product. Got one of my shirts here, so you can see if I just toss it in here, there's an idea for how much room there is inside of this laundry basket. You can fill quite a bit. I've managed to fill quite a bit into this thing in the past, so it can definitely hold a nice regular, maybe even a larger load of laundry. And then if you have got to head to the laundromat or something, or just head downstairs, you can easily tie it up right at the top. So you just take this guy and you pull it, and you can see it's becoming tighter. And then let me put all the way, and there we are. So now it's nice and secure, all of my laundry in here, so you can easily head off to wherever you need to go with this thing in tow. You can even just carry it from here if that works for you. Literally so many options with this thing. And then just pull it back open whenever you are ready. Let me take this shirt out. And finally, very portable, so it'll come like smushed down, and you can also just smush it down. I like just pushing it down just like so, and then maybe you could grab something just to like keep it secure like that. But boom, if you are heading off to college, have a child who's heading off to college. I actually used this my first year of college, and I've just been using it for several years since. It functions very well, nice and portable. Literally, I have no complaints about this laundry basket, and overall I would highly recommend it for all of your laundry needs.